Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you. In this opportunity, I will try to explain about my small subject about current situation of katsuobushi processing industry at Marumo. My host or professor is Masaki Sano Sensei. Introduction. Seafood product is one of the most traded in the world, and the main traded internationally in fish is shrimp, salmon, whitefish, tuna, and also fish meal. And internationally fisheries trade, tuna is the fourth most traded. So tuna is one of the interesting for international trade. And based on the species, skipjack fish represent about 52% of production by tuna species. And from this skipjack have three kinds of product we can produce. First is for canning, second is for sashimi, and the third is for katsuobushi. And katsuobushi is the important ingredient for Japanese soup. And based on portal site of official statistics of Japan, so if the biggest production of katsuobushi is come from Kagoshima prefecture, is represent about 74% katsuobushi production is come from Kagoshima. So it's very interesting to know how they doing the business of katsuobushi processing. And Marumo is one of the factory that produce katsuobushi in Kagoshima prefecture. Location is Taniyama Makurazaki. And Marumo not only produce katsuobushi in Japan, but he also investment or expand the production by investment in Indonesia. Is at north of Sulawesi. It's not too far from my university. It's only about 1 or 2 hours. Now I will try explain about how they doing the processing and how about the challenge about this business and how they can survive to can produce the katsuobushi. Now I will talking about katsuobushi processing. The first is frozen raw material. They receive frozen raw material in frozen condition about -25 degrees Celsius. Is to maintain of the quality of fish. Then thawing after defrost will next to the step is for cutting. Cutting is meant to cut the head of fish and remove the internal organ. Then the fish will line up one by one carefully on the basket and move to boiling room. Boiling is about -90 degrees Celsius for 60 until 90 minutes, and put on room temperature for cooling. Then move to boilless. Boilless is to make loin of fish and free bone. Boiled and free bone is called as namaribushi. And then next step is for smoking. In the first floor is for the burn of wood, and second floor they put the fish for 3 days. After smoke for 3 days, they move again to the third floor for 2 weeks. So the totally smoking in this step is for 2 weeks. After finish smoking is called as arabushi. Arabushi is the most production katsuobushi in Japan. Then after finish smoking, they will make the surface be smooth and called as hadakabushi. Then move to the molding step. Molding is separate for 4 times. It totally about 3 months. After finish molding is called as karebushi. So in this factory, the final product is as karebushi. Then they are packing in master carton. In each master carton is about 20 kilogram of karebushi. So it's not the last final of product, but they are send the karebushi to another factory, also under Marumo. But in my case, I only visit this factory, so I don't know how they process to be keizuribushi, greyfodder, and others. And based on my interview with the staff of Marumo and also based on study literature, and also Sano Sensei told to me, if Japanese consumption of fish is decreasing, and based on Euromonitor International in Agriculture and Agri-Food, talk about decreasing of fish consumption Japanese is from 44 kilogram in 27 to be 30 kilogram in 2012. Also, in presentation of Kawamoto in World Tuna Trade Conference and Exhibition, he also told if Japanese tuna market consumption of Japanese is decreasing about 25%, so it will be give impact for industry how they can survive about the challenge, because this will be impact to market. And then how they survive? The first thing, Marumo have HACCP certificate, and based on my interview, only 3 companies already have HACCP certificate from 48 company at Makurazaki. So Marumo is one of the best company there because they already commitment to produce the product with HACCP certificate. And second, they try to expand the market. Now, not all of Katsuobushi produced in Indonesia sent to Kagoshima, but only 70% product sent to Kagoshima, and 30% they export it to US and also in Indonesia market. Why they can export to US? Because this company already has a certificate. It's key how they can expand the market. And the last, they make a diversity of product. Variety of product will positively impact for Katsuobushi market. And my conclusion, Marumo try expanding in the production by investment in Indonesia. Right now, only 1 company, but I hope in the future they can expand many factory again. And Marumo process the Katsuobushi under HACCP system. And because they already have HACCP system, they can expand the market by export to another country. Because right now, Katsuobushi also popular in some country in America and in USA. Sorry. And then Katsuobushi are one of the interesting trade in international fisheries trade and also profitable. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let me know.